Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making pancake. I'll be showing how you can make a plain pancake and how you can add some veggies and some sausage into your pancake. Stay tuned. To make this sausage filled pancake, I use my chicken luncheon to make this. You can use any of your sausage that you have to do this. Yeah, I chop mine into a smaller sizes. Yes, you can chop it any size. You can use round shape. It depends on any shape you want. But I use a cube size sausage to make mine. Chop in your sausage, and also um, chop your onions, your pepper, your garlic, your ginger. Just make it spicy. You can add your red bell pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper, your tomatoes, based on what you want. But I just use only onions, sausage, garlic, and pepper, scotch bonnet pepper to make mine. You can feel free to use any of the veggies you have at home to do yours. This is how the pepper and onions and the garlic and ginger look like. Just a smaller particle, smaller size that you chop it into a pan. Adding your just a spoon of oil. Yes, then I'll be going in with the chopped onions and the pepper. Fry for some minutes, not too long because you don't want it to overcook. Just fry on a low heat, just for like 30 seconds. Then you go in with your chopped slice on sausage. Then you fry for like just 20 seconds to maximum of 30 seconds. You just want to get that heat of the sausage, nothing much. So the next thing I'll be doing is to mix my pancake. Then I go in with my eggs into a bowl. Then I'll be going in with my sugar. After adding sugar, I added my salt. Salt is very important. It balances the taste of the pancake. Yes, add your salt. Then I whisk it together. Then I'll be going in with my milk. Ensure everything is ready before you start. Ensure everything is ready before you start. Go in with your milk. Then I go in with my melted butter. Yes, very important. You enjoy this pancake. If you are making your pancake otherwise, then you are not enjoying the pancake. The next I'll be going in with my flour. Go in with my flour. Then baking powder. Yes, the baking powder is what will make it to rise. Yes, if you're making your pancake, you need your baking powder. Then I whisk until there is no lumps on the batter. Very important. Then I add some vanilla flavor. Feel free to add maybe banana or any other flavor you want or coconut flavor. But I added vanilla extra flavor to it. So look at the texture I got. This is what I just want. This is the texture I want. You can feel free to make it more thicker. Than no, but I prefer this so it can easily cook on both sides. Yes, this is texture. You can see there's no any lumps on it. Very important. Whisk it until there is no lumps on it. At this point, I divided my batter into two because I'm making the plain and the vegetable and sausage filled sausage. So I divided into two in order to add in the stir fried sausage and some pepper and onions mixed. The next thing I'll be adding, I added the sausage and the onions mixed into one of the batter. Then I stir it together, mix it together and set it aside. Very important. You see how the color just changed. This is so delicious. I first hope that you be trying this. This is like a whole meal in one. You can enjoy this as your breakfast. It depends on any time your snacks is vegetable field. Some people to add your carrots, your cabbage. Just they added small nutmeg to this because I want it to be that flavor of homemade food, homemade snacks. Yes. At this point, then I into your pan. I use a kitchen tissue, kitchen towel. Then I apply a little oil on the pan. I use non-stick pan. Then I'll be going in with the butter. This is how the butter is not too thin, it's not too watery, just a normal size of the batter. Just allow it to cook on a medium heat. Very, very important. Let it cook on a medium heat so it will not burn, and at the end you will not get that texture. Look at the back of the pancake. See how it looks? It looks so nice. This is the other side. Then I transfer it to my bowl. Then the next thing I'm making is the sausage filled pancake. Look at how it looks, so beautiful, so nice. And this is how I was able to make the yummiest pancake. I just hope you'll be trying this at home. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it, and let me see your own version of vegetable filled pancakes. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, share, comment. I'll just come back. I'll be uploading a lot of good and healthy meal on this channel. Thanks for watching. You can enjoy yours with your honey or any of your cereal. Do well to subscribe also. Thank you for watching. Look at how pretty and beautiful it looks like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you enjoyed the video or you want more of this video. Let me know in the comment section. I'll feel free. Let me friends. Bye.